English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills. Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
How do I get to? Hi, Mike. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Hey, can you help me with something?
Sure, what do you need?
How do I get to the library from here?
Oh, it's easy. Go straight down this road for 2 blocks.
Okay, then what?
Then turn left at the traffic light. Walk for another block and you'll see the library on your right.
Got it. Straight for 2 blocks, left at the light, then 1 more block.
Yes, that's right. Do you need any more help?
No, that's all. Thanks a lot, Mike.
You're welcome, Anna. Have a good day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
How do I get to? A phrase used to ask for directions to a specific location. Example: how do I get to the nearest bus stop? Straight. Moving in one direction without turning or curving. Example: go straight down this road for 2 blocks. Block. A section of a street between 2 intersections. Example: walk for another block and you'll see the library on your right.
Watch this video till to the end to improve your English fast.
Part 3, Listen and Answer Practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud.
Hi, Mike. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Hey, can you help me with something?
Sure, what do you need? Did Anna ask Mike for money? No, she didn't. She didn't ask for money. What did Anna ask Mike for? She asked him for help. Did Mike agree to help Anna? Yes, he did. He agreed to help her.
How do I get to the library from here?
What did Anna need help with? She needed directions to the library. She asked Mike how to get to the library. Did Anna want to go to the post office? No, she didn't want to go to the post office. Where did Anna want to go? To the library. She wanted directions to the library. What did she say to learn how to go to the library? She said, "How do I get to the library?" Oh, it's easy. Go straight down this road for 2 blocks. Did Mike give directions to Anna? Yes, he did. He gave her directions to the library. Did Mike tell Anna to go straight for 10 blocks? No, he didn't tell her to go straight for 10 blocks. How many blocks did Mike tell Anna to go straight? 2 blocks. He told her to go straight for 2 blocks.
Okay, then what?
Then turn left at the traffic light. Should Anna turn back after going straight for 2 blocks? No, she shouldn't go back. After going straight for 2 blocks, where should Anna turn? She should turn left at the traffic light. Mike told her to turn left at the traffic light. Walk for another block and you'll see the library on your right. How many blocks should Anna walk after turning left? 1 block. Mike told her to walk for another block. Did Mike say the library would be on the left? No, he didn't say the library would be on the left. Did Mike say the library would be on the right? Yes, he said the library would be on the right.
Got it. Straight for 2 blocks, left at the light, then 1 more block.
Did Anna confirm the directions with Mike? Yes, she did. She repeated the directions back to him. Did Anna repeat the directions correctly? Yes, she did. She repeated them correctly. Yes, that's right. Do you need any more help? Did Mike ask Anna if she needed more help? Yes, he did. He asked if she needed more help.
No, that's all. Thanks a lot, Mike.
You're welcome, Anna. Did Anna ask for more help after getting directions? No, she didn't. She said that's all she needed. Did Anna thank Mike for his help? Yes, she did. She thanked him a lot. Did Mike say, "You're welcome," to Anna? Yes, he did. He said, "You're welcome." Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Hi, Mike. How are you? I'm good too. Hey, can you help me with something? How do I get to the library from here? Okay, then what? Got it. Straight for 2 blocks, left at the light, then 1 more block. No, that's all. Thanks a lot, Mike.
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Sure, what do you need? Oh, it's easy. Go straight down this road for 2 blocks. Then turn left at the traffic light. Walk for another block and you'll see the library on your right. Yes, that's right. Do you need any more help? You're welcome, Anna. Have a good day. Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.